my channel Lifestyle Gupshup, and today's video is going to be about instant glowing detoxifying 3-in-1 mask. So in this busy life, we are working women, we go out, we have lot of work to do, so our skin is tends to get dull, tired, and when we think of going out somewhere, we don't get that instant glow on our face. So for that, we cannot rush to parlor all the time. So you can actually do this kind of mask, which will actually have your skin routine, that is like 3 steps of skin routine in one. So this is like 3-in-1 mask. That is because it cleanses your face, it actually scrubs out your face, and also it tones your skin. So this 3-in-1 mask is like, once you apply it, these three skin routine one at a time, and you are sorted for your outing. So I'm going to share this with you. Actually, this I do it for myself as well, when I have no time to go to parlor or get my cleanup done. So I usually tend to go to this DIY most of the time. So this is a best mask that I have actually used by myself, and it has such a instant freshness that gives to you. I really love this mask, and I thought I should actually share it with all the girls out there, so that you can also get that instant brightening skin, your dullness goes out, and it has actually good benefits. Like if you have a dull skin, tired skin, or you want to detoxify your skin, it's the best. So you can actually use it for your acne prone skin also, and if you have a lot of oil on your face, this is also good for those kind of skin types. So I know every skin type is different. We have dry skin, normal skin, like combination skin, and oily skin. So as I talk about my skin type, it's combinational skin. That is, my T-zone is oily and rest of my face is into a normal section. So this face pack has 4 basic ingredients that will actually suit all skin type. But if you have like special skin types, like you have really dry skin, you can add some more ingredients that I will actually discuss in this video as well. But for that, first I'll tell you what are the 4 basic ingredients that you can actually use for this mask. So let's see what are the ingredients. So guys, the first ingredient is your gram flour, this besan. This has a property of cleansing your face, which actually work as a face wash and a cleanser for you. So this is very good for your skin. So this is one of the base ingredient I'm using, 1 teaspoon of gram flour besan. With that, I'm going to add coffee. Coffee has a good detoxifying agent for your skin, as it has a good caffeine in it. So you can actually use coffee. Coffee has a good detoxifying agent for your skin. It actually removes your dirts and impurities, which actually give you instant brightness to your skin. This is the key ingredient for having an instant glowing face. So this I'm using. This is not an instant coffee. This is actually grounded coffee, which I got it from Coor. So I'm using this. You can actually use your instant coffee as well, but if not, you can use this grounded coffee. If it's available, you can use this grounded coffee. Any brand is okay, and I think in South you will get anywhere, so you can actually use it like that. So I'm putting this like 1 teaspoon of this. So now I have added coffee and gram flour in it. So if we talk about the third ingredient, that is this haldi. So this is kasturi haldi. This is kasturi turmeric, which is available in any supermarket now. Actually, you get kasturi haldi, the natural one also, because this haldi is actually used for face. So particularly for face, if you want, you should use this kasturi haldi only. If not, if you're not getting anywhere, so you can use your cooking haldi also. It's not a problem. But still, if you get this haldi, please do try to get this. So I'm not using much of that. I'm using only this much of haldi. Like if you want to reduce, I'm using 1/4 of haldi. turmeric, only 1/4 of turmeric I'm using. I'm mixing it. So once your all the dry ingredients are mixed well, add the fourth ingredient, that is rose water. So I'm using the Dabur Gulabari rose water in it. So you can add as you want it, how much you want to actually mix it up. So you have to make a good consistency of this paste. It should be applicable, not really very hard paste, but a slurry kind of paste. So I am adding little more rose water so that I can easily apply it. So this is how the consistency looks like, not too runny, just a perfect consistency what we have got. So now I'm going to apply this on my face and let you know the result. So with the help of a face pack brush, I'm going to apply on my face. Back, and we need to wait for at least 15 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes is more than enough that it gets dried up. And once it is dried, use your fingers to actually scrub it off, because it has coffee which is actually acting as a scrubber also for your face, which will remove your dead cells. So use your palms to actually scrub your face using that once it is dried. So once it's dried, we'll see you. Bye. So guys, it's the look after I washed my face. So you can just look, it's like instant brightening on my face. I have just scrubbed that mask out of my face using normal water. I haven't used any special water to remove my this mask. So you can just look how soft and dead cells are like almost gone from your skin. So this kind of face mask you can use and apply twice a week. You can, or whenever you feel your skin is little tired, dull, and you want some refreshment on your face. So I'll tell you the benefits of this mask to use. The first benefit will be it will cleanse your skin and also detoxify your skin. So the second one is it removes your dead cells, all the particles from your dead cells, like from your nose, your chin, your forehead. So it will remove all your dead cells also. And the third one is it actually gives you an instant brightening to your face, which looks little lighter, like your face complexion gets little lighter than your regular one. And fourth one is your pigmentations. So you can get rid of pigmentations very soon if you apply continuously, use this kind of face mask, and particular this mask. So the fifth one is your blemishes. So because we have used turmeric in it, so you can use it as your anti-blemishing face mask also. And I have also told in my beginning of the video that I'll share some few ingredients to be added for different skin type. So that was this oily like combination skin type routine for that. But if you have completely oily skin, you can use a few drops of lemon that will actually remove the excess oil from your face and give you a refreshing look. As I'm like, instead of using rose water, you can add few drops of rose water and you can use curd in it for dry skin, which will actually moisturize your skin. So the three skin routine is completed now. It's like cleansing your skin and detoxifying it. You have removed your dead cells by scrubbing your skin, and the third one is toning by using your rose water. So guys, if you really like this video, don't forget to hit on that like button under the video, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit on that small bell icon so that you can actually get notified whenever I'm uploading some new videos. So these kind of videos will always be uploaded most of the times, the DIYs and your beauty tips, your makeup, all those stuffs are going to be on my channel. So hope you like this video. Do let me know how you felt about this, and do comment below to give your feedback to my video. Thank you so much for watching my video guys. Love you. Bye.